Most people get this wrong. They think a cash advance app is free money, or a guaranteed loan approval. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not all cash advance apps work the same way, and choosing the wrong one can leave you paying extra fees or getting approved for far less than expected. In this video, you'll learn the best cash advance apps in 2026 that typically do not rely on traditional hard credit checks, how they work, and which one may be the best fit for your situation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start and what mistakes to avoid. Let's get straight to it. One of the most popular options is Earnin. Earnin allows eligible users to access a portion of their earned wages before payday. Instead of focusing heavily on traditional credit scores, the app looks at income and employment information. For someone like John, who gets paid every 2 weeks but needs money for an unexpected bill, Earnin can be a helpful short-term solution. But here's the problem. Many people assume every app offers the same advance amount. That's not true. Next is Dave. Dave provides small cash advances for eligible users and includes budgeting tools inside the app. The approval process generally focuses more on account activity and income patterns than traditional credit scoring. For users who need smaller advances and simple budgeting features, Dave remains a strong option in 2026. Now here's where it gets interesting. MoneyLion combines banking, credit building features, and cash advances in one platform. Eligible users may qualify for larger advances compared to some competitors. If Alex receives regular direct deposits, MoneyLion could potentially offer more flexibility than basic cash advance apps. In a minute, I'll show you which type of user should avoid these apps altogether. Another popular choice is Clio. Clio uses an AI-powered financial assistant and offers eligible cash advances through its subscription plans. Many users like the simple interface and spending insights that come with the service. There's also FloatMe. FloatMe focuses on smaller emergency advances designed to help users bridge short financial gaps between paychecks. This can be useful for avoiding overdraft fees when you're only short by a small amount. This is where most people fail. They only look at the maximum advance amount and ignore fees, membership costs, repayment schedules, and eligibility requirements. A larger advance is not always the better option if it comes with additional costs or stricter requirements. The best app for you depends on your situation. Earnin may work well for steady employees. Dave is great for smaller advances and budgeting. MoneyLion offers more financial features. Clio focuses on automation and insights. FloatMe works well for smaller emergencies. Remember, cash advance apps are designed for short-term needs, not long-term financial solutions. Always review the latest terms, fees, eligibility rules, and repayment requirements before using any service. If this video helped you understand the best no-credit check cash advance apps for 2026, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing which app you're considering and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.